Good day everyone, I'm Ivan Mata and I'm from Auto 3A, and today I'll be discussing the refrigeration cycle of a refrigerator. First, you have the compressor to receive the low pressure gas from the evaporator, and after that it will turn the low pressure gas into a high pressure gas before entering the condenser, which will turn the high pressure gas into a high pressure liquid and straight up to the evaporator system, which will turn the high pressure liquid into a low pressure gas. And we have the evaporator fan, which distributes the cool air inside the refrigerator. Here we have the defrost heater, so the build-up ice can be defrost, and straight up to the drain and drain pan for easy access to remove the defrost ice. That's it. Thank you.